Welcome to the new video. Today's video is about making plans.
So, what are your plans for this weekend, Jessica?
I don't know. Do you want to get together or something?
How about going to see a movie? Cineplex 26 is showing Avengers Endgame.
That sounds like a good idea. Maybe we should go before the show ends.
It is fine with me. Where do you want to meet?
Let's meet at Pizza Corner Road. I have not gone there for a long time.
Good idea again. I heard they just came up with a new pizza. It should be good because Pizza Corner always has the best pizza in town.
When should we meet?
Well, the movie is shown at 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m. and 8 p.m.
Why don't we go to the 2 p.m. show? We can meet at Pizza Corner at noon. That will give us plenty of time to enjoy our pizza.
My cousin Scott is in town. Can I bring him along? I hate to leave him home alone.
Of course. He will be happy to meet us together. What is he doing these days?
Scott graduated last June, and he will start his teaching career next week when the new school term begins.
I think Scott will do fine. He knows how to handle young children.
I think the first few weeks will be tough. However, once the routine is set, it should not be too difficult to teach kindergarten.
You are right. The kids might even look forward to going to school since they have so many friends to play with.
There are so many new things for them to do at school too. They do a lot of crafts in kindergarten. I am always amazed by the things kindergarten teachers do.
Yes, I have seen my nephew come home with so many neat stuff.
Maybe we can ask Scott to show us some of the things that we can do for this Halloween.
Okay. Talk to him, hurry. Maybe we can stop by the craft store after the movie. What do you think?
Crafty is a good store for crafts. It always carries a variety of things, and you can find almost anything there.
The store is not far away from Cineplex 26. I believe it is just around the corner, on Pioneer Avenue. We can even walk over there.
So, we plan to meet for pizza at noon, go to the movies at 2, and shop at Crafty's store afterward. Right?
Yes. Exactly.
I have some tasks at home. Now I have to go.
I have to go also. See you in there.
Bye-bye. See you too.